Is your old or misspelled name still appearing on every Loom video you send? Discover how to change your full name in Loom in under 2 minutes. We'll start in Personal Settings, jump over to your Atlassian account, and update your display name in a few simple steps. Click Personal Settings in the left sidebar. Then scroll down until you find the View on Atlassian option. Now go ahead and click on View on Atlassian. On the screen that comes up, click on your full name. Go ahead and type your new full name. Then click the check icon to confirm, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.